Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is video tutorial for the problem population density difference. The problem we are solving as part of MySQL course. Right? And in the last lecture, lecture 6, we have learned about the aggregate functions. And this problem we are going to solve using aggregate function itself. The problem is very easy. You are given a city table where each city has a name, country code, district, and population. So these are the two fields we are interested in. Basically, only the one field we are interested in, that is population, because the question asks you to query the difference between the maximum and the minimum populations in the city. So from the cities, we have to calculate the difference between the maximum and the minimum population. So how you can solve this? So if you remember from the sixth lecture, we have aggregate functions to calculate minimum and maximum values, right? So what you can do, just change the dialect to MySQL. Yeah. So what we have to do, we have to calculate the difference. So what we are going to do, we are going to do select. We need to find the difference of what? Maximum and the minimum. How you can do that? So to calculate the maximum population from the city table, what you will do, select something from city table. Clearly from the city table we are going to calculate, of course, right? But we need to find the difference between the maximum and the minimum. And if you remember, we have aggregate function to calculate maxima and the minima, right? So you can calculate the max using the max function of population, right? Because we have to calculate maximum of the population, and then you can just, since we want the difference, you can subtract the minimum of the population, right? And this will give you the difference. Calculate the maximum population, calculate the minimum population, find the difference. And that's exactly what the problem asks you to do. If you run the code, yeah, let's see. Yeah, task is passes. So let's submit the code and hopefully no error. Yeah, successful. Problem is submitted. So see, using the minimum and the maximum aggregate function, we were able to find out the difference between the maximum and the minimum population from the city table. As simple as that. All right. So yeah, this is it for this lecture. And thank you guys for watching. Until the next video drops, keep coding. Thank you.